We're here today in Matlock on the station approach, on the way linking from the railway station through to the town centre and adjacent the bus interchange with a new digital display screen. And the top screen shows both real-time train departure information and bus departures. And it shows the buses from the rail interchange next to us, but also from the other main departure point in the town centre on Bakewell Road. The lower screen is an interactive screen and provides lots of visitor information to improve the welcome to people coming into the town. Most people are going to walk past this location and they're going to be able to experience the interactive visitor information on the screen. There's local maps, there's lots of local information about places like Chatsworth, Bakewell, Haddon Hall and the Peak District National Park, as well as the lots of local places of interest in Matlock itself. Here in the centre of Belper we have our second digital screen showing again public transport information, both bus and rail on the top screen and local signage with a link straight through to the train station just behind the High Street. On the interactive lower screen here in Belper we have a promotional video of the town. The screen in the centre of Belper is also double-sided. So we're really pleased with how those screens have turned out. We think they're wonderful for both the public transport information, to improve people's confidence to use both bus and rail services, and also to provide a really good welcome to visitors in both Belper and in Matlock. And we're really grateful to our many funders who have helped us deliver this project in the two towns.